everyone. Welcome to a new episode of Our Work Future. I'm Sam.
And I'm Charles. Up next, we have Marcus Antcliff, a national sales executive at Echo Education Technology, a division of Echo Healthcare. This company is at the forefront of offering interactive and innovative technology solutions for health science programs within career tech education. Marcus will take us on a journey through Echo Education Technology's immersive room experience, a cutting-edge tool designed for K-12 schools.
This technology allows healthcare students to step into virtual environments, such as operating rooms, providing them with a realistic and engaging educational experience. At PeopleWork, we're enthusiastic about technologies that transform learning environments and enhance career readiness, making Marcus's demonstration especially relevant and exciting.
Hello everyone, you guys have been following what PeopleWork has been doing at this awesome ACT Vision event where there's this amazing collection of technology to help close the skills gap for our future workforce. And that does include Marcus, who is from Echo Education Technology. And Marcus, would you like to introduce what Echo Technology is?
Yes.
And then give us a little demo.
Yeah, welcome. Thank you. So Echo Education Technology, we specialize in the K-12 space for providing interactive, innovative products for health science, for career tech programs, whether that's health science, EMS, with the immersive room that you can see in the background. The limits here are truly limitless as far as who we can outreach in the CTE fields.
Okay, so I want to see this in action. I'm all about it.
Let's do it. So this is the immersive room. So what's cool about the immersive room is there's no goggles or anything like that, so the students can be fully immersed in any environment. And when you're in this environment, so this is our OR, we can actually bring in, if we wanted to bring in a mannequin, a simulator, the students can be immersed in this environment where they would have the sounds, the feels. We could actually go in here. I don't think this one actually has any touch spots. If we can get something with the touch spots, that'd be great. But the students, the learners have the ability to engage with all of the walls. So they can do, maybe it's a quiz, maybe it's a video, maybe it's an image that they want to see. They have the ability to do that. So let's go ahead and let's show just keep rolling some different scenes here. So this is a good one. This is our human body. So this would be good for maybe kinesiology, health science programs, learning the human body. This is what we call our interactive, right? So this is where the students are going to engage. And we have sensors here where we can touch. It's going to ask a question. So we can touch. And again, you have sensors on all the walls. So you could have multiple students in here actually asking a question. It's going to ask a question here. What does the brain do? Oh boy. Oh boy. Any help from the audience out there?
What does the brain do?
It's got to be this.
Yes, I agree.
It's got to be this. Yes. All right. So that was fun. So what are the brain and the spinal cords called together? It's got to be the central nervous system. Oh, I'm on a roll here. And I've never taken this before, actually. So we got to do 4 questions? All right. Does the brain receive and send signals? Oh, both. Yes. One more. What is the nervous system made up of? Oh boy. Oh boy. Yes. Yes. All right. So you can see how fun that is. The students can engage. I'm not gonna lie, my heart was pounding a little bit there. I haven't done that. I've got some people watching, so that was fun. So Jacob, can we do a virtual field trip? Let's take the kids on a field trip somewhere. This is kind of fun. If you want a nice calming environment, we can go on a field trip somewhere. So the cool thing about this room is we have the ability to be anywhere in the world that we want to be. With the ability to create our own localized content with a 360 camera, or the ability to add YouTube 360 videos. So you can see here we have several different videos to choose from. So who doesn't love this, huh? And then you got the sound in here, so you got a little bit of the the beach vibe scene's going.
Well, and on that note, I'm going to jump in because I'll totally take a beach vacay.
Yeah, right?
Now. you can't
How great is
object
this?
to that. So for a school to implement this technology,
Yeah.
they would need the space for the walls
Right.
and the actual audio
Yeah.
system to be able to do it. Well, obviously, if you are here at the ACT Vision event, what booth number is this?
1535.
1535 is where you can come and check
Yeah.
out this awesome tech, explore the options for your students. Thank you so
Awesome.
much.
Hey, thank you so much. We
Yeah.
appreciate it.
Great.
We're grateful to Marcus for providing such an enlightening walkthrough of the immersive room experience offered by Echo Education Technology. His demonstration showcases how innovative technology can significantly enhance learning, particularly in health science education, by creating realistic and interactive environments for students.
This kind of experiential learning tool aligns perfectly with our vision at PeopleWork of integrating technology into education to better prepare students for their future careers. Echo Education Technology's work is a great example of how immersive technology can transform educational experiences, and we look forward to seeing its impact on future healthcare professionals. Stay with us for more insights into how technology is revolutionizing education and career preparation.